In today's age of technology, online privacy and data security have become increasingly important concerns. Here are some ways you can better protect your online privacy and data security. 1. Use strong passwords. Use long, complex passwords that include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. 1. Consider using a password manager to generate and store strong passwords securely. 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification, such as a code sent to your phone or a fingerprint scan, in addition to your password. 3. Be cautious with personal information. Avoid sharing personal information, such as your address or social security number, online unless it's absolutely necessary. 3. Be wary of phishing scams, which try to trick you into revealing personal information by posing as a trusted source. 4. Use privacy-enhancing tools. Use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet traffic and protect your online activity from prying eyes. 4. Consider using browser extensions like AdBlock Plus and Privacy Badger to block ads and tracking cookies. 5. Keep your software up to date. Keep your operating system, web browser, and other software up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and protections. 6. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest threats and best practices for online security. 6. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops to improve your understanding of online privacy and data security. 7. By following these steps and being proactive about your online security, you can better protect your personal information and ensure your online activity remains private and secure.